Super excited to try this waterless diffuser that was sent to me by FEPPO. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, so in the box you have the diffuser itself, you have the remote. You can actually replace the core, so I'll show you that. You have the manual, and it came with a cable to plug it up. So we have 5 different scents here. So you have classic luxury amber, green tea blossom serenity, clean citrus floral, and then crystal amber rose. This is unique. So it came with a top, and the top actually is for this. So once you have your oils in here, if you were to travel or have to put it up, you can't tip this over because it will spill, or it can spill. So you can actually place this and put it on top, and then you can travel or take it with you. This is the part where I said this can be replaced if you need to. All right, so we're going to try out these different scents. Classic luxury amber, that's a pretty clean scent. Tea blossom serenity, that one is definitely reminds me of like Hawaii or something. Green tea blossom, that one has definitely had a sweet scent to it. It says botanical luxury for this one. So this is part of their luxury signature collection is crystal amber rose. But this smells good. This definitely smells good. This one has a sweet smell to it. And then this is clean citrus floral. I like citrusy smell, so you might go with this one. Yep, we're gonna go try this one out. So in the bottle, you can fill this up to, so it says 50 ml and then the max is 100 mLs. So what's nice about these is you don't have to put water with these, some of the original diffusers. Basically, it won't dilute it, and then it also doesn't leave residues because of these things, right? So I want to get all the oils out. I don't want to waste it. So then you're going to place this on here. You're going to screw it up, and then you're going to put it in here. So I just wanted to show right here, it does have the stickers on the front. The indicator lights are down here, which will match this. So there's 2 ways to control this. You have the button and then you have the remote. So you hold the button for 2 seconds to turn it on, and then you hold it for 2 seconds to turn it off. So when you turn it on, it defaults to the L4. So L4 is 30 seconds on and then 180 seconds off. And so if you want to change the modes, so that's L4, then it goes to L5, and then it goes to L6. So on here, you can also choose the different modes. So L1 is going to be 30 seconds on and pause for 360. So it's always 30 seconds on, but L2 is going to pause for 300 seconds. L3 is going to pause for 240 seconds. L4 is going to pause for 180, and then L5 is 120, and L6 is 60 seconds. You do have the on-off for the light, so it can be a night light. And then the aroma just sets it back to, it's the default setting of L4, and then it is going to go automatically shut off in 8 hours. You do have a timer. This can go for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. So down here, if you double press, so that is 1 hour. So now it's 2, that's 4 hours, and then that's 8 hours. So I really love that it's aesthetically pleasing. So it just can hang out on my table in the living room. This covers up to 1,000 square feet, so it's nice to have in a big open space. So this is what the hotels are using now because the scent stays longer and it's not diluted with water like the original diffusers in the past. This can also double down as a nightlight, so that's really nice. And I just love that it just smells so much cleaner in my home. This also came with all the different oils, so you can try this out right away as soon as you get it. This is great for any home, especially those that have pets, big families, and kids, because now I'm not using a candle that they can possibly knock over, or wax that might be melted and can spill on them. So this one's gonna be in my living room, but I also want one in my bedroom, down in the basement where we watch our movies, and then also in my kids' bedrooms. So if you're looking for a way to keep your home smelling good and fresh, you should definitely check this one out.